What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a little bit of a special day. Didn't think this day would come. It's pretty interesting. I didn't think they would recover, but as you can see from the title, I'm getting my account back with TFT. It sucks that I have to start over again, but at least I got my account back. So let's see exactly how this is going to go. So I'm actually going to go to the email that I got, and then I'm going to share with you guys what I'm going to do or how I go about it. So let's take it from there. All right, so it says, "Dear traders, we hope this message finds you well. We understand that your trading account was paused on March 28th, and we appreciate your patience during this period. We're excited to announce that we are giving you a chance to restart your trading journey with us, starting from phase 1. To help you get back on track, we're providing with exclusive coupon codes. These codes will allow you to resume your trading journey with TFT completely free of charge below our unique coupon codes." So here are the codes, and apparently the way I'm supposed to do it is just go into my dashboard, select the challenge I wish to participate in, and put in the code. And this is the code that I'm supposed to use. So let's go ahead and do that together. So I'm back here at the Fortnite Trader. Let me go ahead and put in my email and log in. All right, so here we are. Royal Challenge 50K. Okay, I know so many of you guys keep asking, how do I, get this to work? So that's why I'm doing this, so that you guys can see exactly how it works. Okay, so you go to you sign into your dashboard of TFT. On TFT, sorry, you click the challenge type. Mine is Royal. In this case here, the account that they owe me, one of them is 50K. And then there's CTrader, DXTrade, and there's Platform 5. I believe Platform 5 is MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to select Platform 5. All right. And then all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put in the discount code. All right. So let's go ahead and buy this account. This is why, in everything I do, I take screenshots. Okay. And then I also record. It's for my own protection. If I didn't have all the documents that I had, TFF, the first funder, would have absolutely wiped the floor with me because they were trying. All right, let's hit complete order. And there we go. All right, so it says paid. I'm going to wait for the email. Once I get the email, we'll take it from there. All right, so I got one email that says my order was complete. So let's see if we get any other emails. All right, and here we go. Welcome to the Royal Challenge. It's time to build your kingdom with the Royal Challenge account. Yada, 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 blah, 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 blah. So with that being said, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and connect all these things over, and then I will show you guys how it is after I log in. All right, so I'm going to grab my laptop. I already have a bunch of accounts on my MetaTrader with my main computer. So I'm going to grab my laptop and put this account, log into that account on my laptop, and I'm going to show you guys if we get in or not. All right, so as you can see, I have my laptop here. It's booting up right now. As soon as it's finished booting up, I'm going to show you guys exactly what happens after I log in. All right, so while my laptop is booting up, I wanted to take a look at some of the objectives and stuff and make sure everything is good. And as you can see, look at this trash. Look at this. 5 days minimum trading days, 1:50 leverage, which means for indices, it's probably going to be like 1:10. That's nuts. Profit target is still 8%. Maximum loss is still 10%. Daily loss is still 5%. So what they've done is that in order to offset some of their, some of the people who are gaming the life out of these challenges and are able to make crazy money, they've reduced the leverage, because I think they used to do 1:200 for Royal. All right, so I have it on my laptop now. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to be recording my screen. I put in the name of the company. The name of the company is called Thoris. Okay, so I'm going to put in the details here for Thoris, and then we will log in. So let's go next. All right, so they're asking us to put in the login details. So there we go. All right, so this is it. We're going to log in. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in 50K account, and yeah, 50K account. All right, so now coming back to this, so let's talk about some things before this video comes to an end. When it comes to trading with this company, I know a lot of you guys are already furious. I'm one of them who's just like, I'm not furious, I just don't care. To me, whatever happens with this account happens. What should you do? If you have a coupon, I would say give it a shot and still trade it, only because you may make some money. I'm trading this alongside my other accounts anyway, so I'm gonna find out if I can connect this to one of my trade copiers, because it is using the same platform. If it is, then essentially I can trade this alongside some of my other challenges and I'm good. So it's no harm, no loss, no foul for me. I'm good. But some of your fears don't want nothing to do with it. I understand it. I already paid my money. It sucks that they're making me start again, but if I can make money from them, I'll do that. All right, so basically that's it for this video. I got the email, I got the coupon. The coupon works now. I have the account with the funded trader. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation. Would you trade this account, or would you just be like, screw it, or would you YOLO it? What would you do? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have shown. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.